Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Maths Hub. Today I shall explain one question. The question is, the temperature of a human body is normally 37 degrees centigrade. Please stop. Convert it into Fahrenheit. Now let us see how this question is going to be solved here. Here I shall write solution. Solution implies that it is given that the temperature of a human body is 37 degrees centigrade. Convert it into Fahrenheit. Normally, the temperature of a human body is 37 degrees centigrade. It is given that temperature equal to 37 degree centigrade. This means that the value of C you have got 37. Now I shall use formula here. Formula is implies that if minus 32 whole over 9 equal to C over 5. Formula I have mentioned here. If minus 32 whole over 9 equal to C over 5. Where F equal to Fahrenheit, F equal to Fahrenheit, C equal to centigrade, R Celsius, F equal to Fahrenheit, the unit of temperature, C equal to centigrade or Celsius. So here we have got C equal to 37. So here I shall write F minus 32 whole over 9 equal to the value of C 37 I shall put here 37 over 5. Now simplify this one. Here you can see F minus 32 whole over 9 equal to 37 over 9. Now cross multiply here. You will get here 5 in bracket F minus 32 equal to 9 into 37. Again I shall write implied that five will get enter inside, circle bracket will be broken. You will get here 5 F minus 5 into 32 equal to 9 into 37. Just simplify this one. You will get here 5F minus and 32 will multiply to 5. You will get here 5 to the 10 and 5 3 ja 15, 15 plus 1 16. 160 will get, 160 will get equal to, here 9 7 ja 63, carry will be 6, 9 3 ja 27, 27 plus 6 will get here 33. Again I shall write implied that 5f equal to 333 plus 160, implied that 5f equal to, now add, on adding 333 plus 160 we will get here 3, here we get 6 plus 3 9, and here we will get 3 plus 1 4. Again I shall write f equal to 493 whole over 5, implied that f equal to, just divide 493 divided by 5, 5 9 ja 45 we will get, it will go up to 9, 45. Oh, 9 minus 5 will get here 4, or 5 8 ja 40, and point will be there, plus dot, not dot, point, and 5 6 ja 30. This thing will get. So now you have got here, hence temperature of a human body equal to 98.6 F. You can write here in Fahrenheit. In Fahrenheit. This thing will get. This is 5. Just move this one at this place. So this is the question. The temperature of human body in Celsius or centigrade 37 degree, and temperature of a human body in Fahrenheit 98.6. This is the question. This is the formula I have mentioned here. F stands for Fahrenheit, C stands for centigrade or Celsius. Very useful for all competitive examinations. Now next question I have taken here, since sufficient space is available here. Next question I shall write here. Question. Let us see what question I have taken. Four 25 73 425 73. Here I shall make like this star symbol. This is a star symbol. This means that here and empty space is available. Single digit you have to fill here. That will be determined later on. Write it in bracket. Is completely divisible by 72. 425 73 steric mark. This is known as steric mark. This is known as steric mark. This is known as steric mark. Steric mark. Steric mark. This steric mark means an empty space which will be filled by a single digit that will be determined later on, and this number here in place of this symbol, a single digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, either of them will be filled here. Condition is that completely divisible by 72. So here find the value of this steric mark. Find the value of steric mark. So what to do here? Let us see. Solution. Solution implies that this statement 425 73 empty space is available which is filled by a single digit. The value of single digit you have to find out, completely divisible by 72. So this can be written as 425 73 steric mark divided by 72. Let us see. So what to do here? Here I shall write 425 73 steric mark will be available. Here I shall write factors of 72 can be written as 9 into 8. So here 9 will multiply to 8, you will get here 72. Now here we shall use divisibility rule of 9. Assume here this place, this empty space will be filled either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A single digit or 9 or 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Either one of the digits, only one digit will be filled here. So what we will do? Just heat and trial method we shall use here. First of all, you can see here 9 is available. So we shall apply here divisibility rule of 9. So what divisibility rule of 9 says? Let us see. Divisibility rule of 9 here says for all digits, sum of all digits, 425 73 and here one digit will come. The sum, you have to find out sum. 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 3. You can see here 425 73. So all digits will be added. 4 4 plus 2 2 plus 5 5 plus 7 7 plus 3 3. And here also one digit will fall. We don't know. 4 available, 4 plus 2 2 5 5 7 7 3 3, and here one digit I shall fill. So just add this one. So you will get here 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 7 18, 18 plus 3 21. So 21 plus one digit will be added. Are divided by 9. Completely divided by 9. The divisibility rule of 9 is all digits will be added together. On adding all digits, the result will be completely divided by 9. So here you can see 21 divided by 9. 21 can't be divided by 9. So you have to think over one digit out of these digits, so as 21 plus out of one digit out of these digits added together completely divided by 9. If you put here 1, heat and trial method we shall use. If you put here 1, so 21 plus 1 22. 22 can't be divided by 9, so 1 can't be used. If you put here 2, you will get here 23. 23 can't be divided by 9. Okay. If you put here 3, you will get here 24. 24 can't be divided by 9. If you put here 4, the 21 plus 4 you will get here 25. 25 can't be divided by 9. If you put here 5, you will get here 21 plus 5 26. 26 can't be divided by 9. If you put here 6, so here you will get 21 plus 6 will get here 27. So 27 will be completely divided by 9. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 21. We will get here 3. So you can see here, if you put here 6, so 6 plus 21 will get here 27. 27 is completely divided by 9. So this number, not this number, 6 I shall put here. So what will do here? Here I shall write implied that 425 73 in place of asterisk mark, I shall put here 6 whole over 9 into 8. And now divisibility rule of 9 has been verified. All digits 4 2 5 7 3 6 will be added together. We will get here 27. 27 is completely divided by 9. This means that the divisibility rule of 9 is fulfilled. And The divisibility rule of 8 says, divisibility rule of 8 says, last three digit 736 implies that 7 plus 3 plus 6 will get here 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 6 16. 16 is easily divided by 8. This means that the divisibility rule of 8 is also verified. That's why correct answer will be here. This is the divisibility rule of 9 and this is the divisibility rule of 8. This is the divisibility rule of 8 and this is the divisibility rule of 9. The divisibility rule of 8 says last three digit 736 will be added together. We will get here 16. 16 is completely divided by 8. This means that the divisibility rule of 8 has been verified here. And for the divisibility rule of 9, all digits will be added together. We will get here 27. 27 is completely divided by 9. That's why the divisibility rule of 9 is also being verified. Divisibility rule of 8 has been verified and divisibility rule of 9 has been verified. This means that correct answer we will get here in place of asterisk mark. In place of asterisk mark, we shall write 6. In place of asterisk mark, that is and empty space, the empty space will be filled by only one digit, that is 6. The correct answer will be 6. Okay guys, thanks.